Shopper Stop Eyestoppers has taken eye makeup to a whole new level. While the decision to narrow down the list was really tough, I have finally managed to pick 5 of my favorite eyestoppers. Congratulations LIBO CHISI. That amazingly perfect glow with bold eyes took all my attention. Love the way she has carried the look on hooded eyes. Looks super classy. Great work, Pearl ATHWANI. The chain artwork is really good and I love how delicately it has been done. It's so unique. I love the detailing, really well done. RUCHIKA Das. This look is so bold and what a great look this would have been for a fun Halloween party. BEDANGA. Oh my god, this fantasy inspired look is just so spot on and I love the green and gold hues used. Congratulations MUKUL J. Richards. Choosing an Egyptian look was quite innovative and executed so very well. Congratulations. Weren't they absolutely stunning? These looks definitely know how to make a statement without batting an eye. Well, if you want to recreate any of these looks, just visit shopperstop.com to check out how these looks can be created with their list of recommended beauty products. They have some awesome offers running too. So go check out the website now.